Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. Watch some more videos. This video today, I got a few things I wanted to go over and tell you guys about, but this video today is another drone flying video. Me and Tommy was out yesterday at the Gateway Park, and the Trinity comes right through it, and it was awesome. I was flying the Chimera. It's just goggle footage, but it's with the DJI goggles and the Chimera, so it's actually HD goggle footage. It's nice looking. I've already looked at it. I'm recording this intro after the fact, but yeah, I was doing some good flying. I got down kind of close to the water a little bit, and on the Trinity, and I was having fun. Me and him was just flying around, checking out the park, exploring, and just, you know, getting good control over the drone, doing some more practice. Anyway, so that's what today's video is about, and I'm going to roll that footage here in just a minute. But I got a few things I wanted to show you. So me and my son are going to go out and play today, and play with some of his Christmas presents that he got from Santa Claus. This gravedigger right here, I put a GoPro mount on it so we can put the GoPro session on it, get some footage. But yeah, he got this for Christmas, and we're going to take it out and play with it today. It's just a toy grade, but it's still cool. I like the body. You know, if the truck ever breaks or whatever, I like the tires too. I'll take the body and put it onto something else eventually. Actual hobby grade truck, you know what I mean? That'd be awesome. And then the other thing, we're going to combine these two things into one video. The other thing is this little toy electric boat. It's actually hobby grade, but it's just cheap hobby grade, but it's still fun. It's got a little bumper on it, little American flag, water cooled motor. It's still a fun little boat. We're going to take this out and the gravedigger out today and make a video of it. Unfortunately, this is too small to put any of my cameras on. And if I had my Insta, I could put that on there, but my Insta's at the shop getting repaired right now, so I don't have an Insta. But yeah, this boat ain't going to carry any of the GoPros, and the only two GoPros I'd be willing to put on it are compromised. They got slight openings in them. In other words, if they got wet, it would fry them. GoPros are fine in the water, but not if they're compromised in any way. But yeah. So that's what we're going to do today, later. That video will be coming out next week, or later on in the week. So that's just something I wanted to update you guys on. I got plenty of drones to fix and plenty of stuff going on, plenty of projects. But this video is just going to be about this drone footage of me and Tommy out flying around at Gateway Park by the Trinity. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and hopefully I can keep entertaining you guys. Later, guys. Enjoy the footage. See you on the next video.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death for you. It's only a few that'll rep for you and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't wanna share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah, to make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere, yo, we taking the stairs. Don't let them get in our ear. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers. Is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me working 9 to 5 just to make it out. And now the dark nights got me needing mouth to mouth. Resuscitate my dreams, tell me what it's all about. I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me show a little skin just to make it out. They told me grind until I doubt, till I reach the clouds. Excuse me a little moment while I break out. Never let them take me out.